Hello, welcome to question number 34. The cost of a freezer is 33,600 Ghana cedis. If a woman decides to pay 800 Ghana cedis monthly, how long will it take to complete the payment? So this is when the first month comes, he pays 800. It means the value of the freezer will not decrease by what? 800 cedis. Then the next month he will take away 800. So in the actual sense, as we are doing the repeated subtraction, it is also taken as what? A division, meaning this value divided by this will give us the number of months that he is paying this money. So we can see that monthly payment. So the monthly payment is 800 total amount. So we have to find number of months. The number of months is going to be the total amount 33600 divided by the monthly payment every month, or we can say the monthly installment. So if we divide that on our calculator, you should be having 42 months. So the number of months, how long it will take him 42 months, but the question leave the answers in number of years. So you want to know how many years will this give us. Remember, we have, if 12 months equals to 1 year, then 42 months should be more than 1 year. So if more, less of the values divide, meaning 42 divided by 12, all in month, times 1 year. Let's do that and see. And that will be giving you 3.5 what? Years. That will be 3 years and some months. But remember, we are working this towards how the answer is being prepared or presented in the options. So we have the options are in years. So we have 3.5 what? Years. That gives us the total number of how long it will take the woman to finish the payment of this based on 800 monthly installments. I guess you understood. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.